Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Please Check Your Password and Account Name on Steam. So if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So when you're encountering this error, Steam can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. So, sorry about that. So first, double check account information. Ensure that you are entering your Steam account name and password correctly. Remember that passwords are case sensitive. Use the correct account name. Make sure you are using your Steam account name, not your display name. Your account name is used to log in, and it is different from the name that is displayed in your profile. Reset your password. If you're unsure about your password, use the Forgot Your Password link on the Steam login page to initiate a password reset. Follow the instructions in the email you received to reset your password. Check for Caps Lock and Num Lock. Verify that the Caps Lock and Num Lock keys on your keyboard are set correctly. Passwords are case sensitive, so having Caps Lock on could cause issues. Try different browsers or devices. If you're encountering the issue on a particular browser or device, try using a different one to see if the problem persists. Clear browser cache and cookies. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then attempt to log in again. Cache data can sometimes cause login issues. Disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with website functionality, including login process. Disable any extensions and try again. Verify account status. Ensure that your Steam account is in good standing and not locked or suspended. Check your email for any notifications from Steam regarding your account. Check for Steam server issues. Sometimes servers might be experiencing issues. You can check Steam's official social media accounts or community forums to see if there are any ongoing problems. Contact Steam support. If none of the previous steps work, consider reaching out to Steam support for assistance. They can help you recover your account or provide more specific troubleshooting steps. Use two-factor authentication. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Steam account, make sure you are entering the correct authentication code. Sometimes this step can be overlooked. And lastly, wait and retry. Occasionally, temporary server glitches or connectivity issues can cause login problems. Wait for a while and then try logging in again. Remember to be cautious with your personal information and only interact with official Steam websites and channels when dealing with account-related matters. And that's it for this video. So, once you follow all of the steps, you should be able to fix Please Check Your Password and Account Name error on Steam. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!